how to start Twitch streaming in mobile. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can start to Twitch streaming in mobile. So for that, you need to open Twitch app. After that, you need to simply click on that plus icon. Here you will see Stream IRL Stream Games, Creator Dashboard. So if you want to stream games, simply click on Stream Games. If you want to stream yourself, you can click on Stream IRL. So I will simply click on Stream Games. After that, I will enable my microphone and also enable my overlays. So for that, I will simply go to Settings. After that, here I will select Twitch display or other apps. So I will turn on it. So here I clicked I on it. After that, I will back to Twitch. Now I will simply again click on plus icon. Now I will simply click on Stream Games. Here I can select any game in my mobile. And after that, I will click on Continue. Like say, example, I want to PUBG Mobile. So I will simply click on that, and after that, Continue. After that, I will simply click on Next. Now again, launch game. But before that, I will simply add titles for my game, so I will simply add PUBG game. Here you can add tags. So I will simply add tags. It's okay if you don't want to add tag, but once you do that, after that you will simply click on launch game. Now you will go to direct game. Once you click on start now, your Twitch stream will be start in your mobile. Thanks for watching.